Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health Mentor. Today, we're diving into a superfood that's bursting with color and benefits. Yes, you guessed it, beetroot juice. Get ready to discover some mind blowing facts about this ruby red elixir that could transform your health. First up, did you know beetroot juice can boost your stamina? That's right. Studies show that drinking beetroot juice can enhance your athletic performance. It's all thanks to nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, helping improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles. So, if you're looking to crush your next workout, beetroot juice might just be your secret weapon. But wait, there's more. Beetroot juice is also a powerful ally for your heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, which means a happier, healthier heart. Who wouldn't want that? A glass a day could keep those cardiovascular issues at bay. Now let's talk about your brain. Beetroot juice is a cognitive superstar. Its high nitrate content increases blood flow to the brain, potentially improving memory and cognitive function. Feeling a little foggy? A glass of this magic potion might just clear things up. And here's a spicy twist. Beetroot juice is loaded with antioxidants, particularly betalains. These guys not only fight inflammation, but also protect your liver from toxins. A healthy liver means better detoxification and overall wellness. Plus, beetroot juice can do wonders for your skin. With its wealth of vitamins and minerals, it promotes a radiant complexion and can help combat skin issues. Who needs expensive creams when you can drink your way to glowing skin? Feeling adventurous? You can mix beetroot juice with ginger, lemon, or even a hint of spice for a zesty twist. Not only does it taste incredible, but those combinations pack an even bigger health punch. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, protect your heart, sharpen your mind, or glow from within, beetroot juice is your go-to drink. Are you ready to sip your way to health? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need to jump on the beetroot bandwagon. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy your beetroot juice. Until next time, stay vibrant and healthy with the Health Mentor.